I came from Minitab R&D. I'm now in marketing, but I spent many years in Minitab R&D. And R&D also is part of that smart connectivity, right? Because they need all that information happening, what's actually going on the factory floor, what's going on the in the customer's hands. We need to connect all that data to be able to innovate. And it's a great position to be in. We have a certain percentages of our customers that do live in this R&D world, innovating what's going to happen next, proving what's going on now. And I am absolutely thrilled about where Minitab has invested in these R&D problems. We just acquired Effex, which is state-of-the-art, world-class design of experiments from two of the top researchers in that field. And I am just beyond thrilled about this. So first of all, stepping back, what is DOE? DOE allows us to look at multiple combinations of settings efficiently. One of the problems with looking at data in real time is there is a data that's observational that we're collecting in real time, and we are going to do that for sure. But there's a couple limitations to that data. One is there's a lot of noise. Every data set that I've looked at that is coming from systems in real time, what we call observational data, it's got a lot of variation. It's really often hard to find the key drivers of something because we're not controlling for things. The other thing that we're limited by real time and observational data is, when we're running a oven at 200 degrees, it's only varying a little bit, right? We're not seeing what would happen if we reduce that temperature all the way down to 175, right? We're not opening our operational windows of potential inputs to our process to see whether we could further optimize that. For that, you need DOE. And DOE allows us to do this in a very efficient way. So imagine how much time and money you can save if you can just run 8 experiments, for example, rather than 64. At Minitab, we've been doing DOE for a long time, and many of you who do DOE are used to things like factorial designs and fractional factorial designs. We have now augmented our DOE toolkit with 2 other kinds of designs. One is called Omar's designs. These designs, for those of you in the Minitab DOE world, are probably familiar with definitive screening designs. These would be similar to that, meaning they allow you to look at main effects, interactions, quadratic effects in very few runs. And these are truly the latest research in design of experiments. Now you can do only with Minitab Effex. So excited about this because this is bringing us light years ahead in terms of solving more and more problems. The other thing that Effex brings us is DOE for optimal designs. And so some of you familiar with the DOE world may have heard of things like the coordinate exchange method of optimal designs. That is something now offered in Minitab Effex. So we can solve just way more problems with DOE. It's amazing how much information you can get from only a few runs. And so this isn't replacing the DOE that's always been in, or that's been in Minitab since I can remember, but it's augmenting it with some new designs that are just great for solving all these. So excited about this. We're going to be able to do more with a nice workflow and efficient experiments, comparing, do I want to run this design versus this one? For those that live in the DOE world, they know how important this graph is. It's telling us which terms or effects might be correlated with which other ones and how to reduce those correlations. That's what we're doing here. We're finding really efficient experiments that give us the most information from the smallest number of runs, and now in way more ways than we've done in the past. So excited about this. We also have just recommender designs, right? So you don't even have to really know DOE to get started in DOE. You say, just recommend an experiment for me, and that's done. So in this case, we're looking to reduce thermal distortion and tool wear, vibration through these 5 factors, and it's just giving us the best settings, and now we run the experiment. But we also have now a design recommender that says, here's an experiment that's we recommend you use for this. So really great stuff. If you're ready to start designing experiments, we got you covered. Okay, and then finally, it does come with an optimizer, very similar to Minitab's optimizer. We can play with settings, so I can, move my cutting speed up and down and actually see how my thermal distortion results might change. I want to minimize this, so if I move this up, what does that do to my predicted value for thermal distortion? So very similar to Minitab's optimizer, works in a similar way. But one of the things it does do that I think is great, you can look at the response, or you can look at the probability of, say, a defect as your response. So probability being out of spec, and get the information that way as well. So really great way to look at settings, play with them, and improve.